Hey, I changed the spot I've never been to, and this is on the hill. So we got a train coming. Keep that video going. Here we go. All right, that was really cool. That was train number 177, running southbound between Cincinnati and Chattanooga, Tennessee. Thanks for watching. I gotta get warmed up again. I'm freezing. There was a lot of wind coming off of that train. It's about 28 degrees. Ah, but wait, there's more. Yeah, I've moved over to just south of Columbus and north of Circleville. And there's several different lines right here to come together. I do have a Norfolk Southern train on its way right now. I just heard it on 161.190. So let's see what we got. Go ahead and keep the video going, son. Here we go. All right, we got another train coming. Here we go. Hope this one's booking. It's getting windy out. Wow, that train was booking. Wow, that was a good one there. Man. What'd you think of that? How many cars was that? Someone count those, let me know. That was a long one. That DPU was working hard. That was really cool. But wait, there's more. Of course, always is. All right, I am just north of Circleville and south of Columbus, between the two. And here comes a northbound Norfolk Southern. Be considered westbound for them. It's a local. Well, there you go. That sure was a short one. It was a good one, though. That was pretty cool. Thanks for watching, everyone. And this is a defect detector right there.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 681.0, track 2, no defects.
There you go. All right, let's zoom in and have a closer look at this defect detector. All right, the defect detector, I zoomed way in on it right here. And that's 6 times I zoomed in. This counts the axles on the train, and it also picks up any hot boxes. And then you've got the dragging defect detector parts right there. If there's any kind of equipment dragging, it'll hit those little fins that are sticking up, and that'll notify that they've got dragging equipment. So there you go, defect detectors.
But wait, there's more!
Wow, I couldn't find a good spot to get to them. Couldn't get to them in time. They're gone. I was trying to film a CSX train on this line. It's getting ready to come. Right as soon as I get over here, the Norfolk Southern train comes. Hadn't been a train through in over an hour, and right when I walked over here, that one came. So that was a little bit of misfortune. There we are, downtown Blanchester. Got the local getting ready to leave. Conductor's out checking his locomotive, climbing on board. Hopefully they're going to head north or east. Okay, everyone, I just came to Midland to check out my favorite depot over here, right at the Y here. Old Baltimore and Ohio Railroad Depot. Look at this. It's in terrible shape. It's even in worse shape than I thought it was going to be in. The line right here is the Greenfield sub. It's owned by the village of Greenfield. It's got about, I don't know, 25, 26 miles of track. Line over here is the Midland sub. And Indiana, Ohio runs both of these. They lease this one from CSX. But look at this building. This is horrible. Kind of surprised it's even standing. I thought this thing would have been torn down a couple years ago, really. It's still here. Not really safe to go in anymore. What a shame. I rode on a train out of here in the late 80s, a dinner train. We got our ticket from inside here. I think there's going to be a local coming down this line here to the right pretty soon. There's a locomotive up there in Blanchester right now, sitting there idling with a conductor on it. So hopefully they'll run something up this track. I don't know. But there's the depot. Looking really sad. Wow. Never thought I'd see it look like this. Kind of surprised this thing's still here. There's the Midland yard right there. We're right at the Y. And here's the rail. Been a little while since the train's been over this track. Hasn't been anything over the track yet this week. Today's Tuesday. A little bit rusty. Oh, but wait, there's more. Check this steam engine out, folks. Now this is cool. Look at this. Got Santa Claus up there too. Looks like they're taking pretty good care of this thing. Go ahead and click on that and read it at your leisure. Okay, check this out, everyone. There's a light back there, a signal. It's really cool. And I'll show you this thing changing. Now, is that cool or what? All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Had a great day down here at the railroads. And go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so. If you had time, watch another video. Every view really helps my channel. And now it's time for Norfie, Chessie, and the slideshow. Here we go.
Hi Kitty, I'm trying to make a video and you're making it a little bit difficult. Why are you up here in front of my computer and you're making a mess? Trying to lay right there and you're goofing everything up. Now she wants to jump on me. Hi little kitty.
Now, is that cool or what?